Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the 16th question in exercise 6.3. If AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. So let's draw the two triangles first. So the first triangle is ABC. Let us mark that. You have a median, so I'm dropping this to D. Now, similarly, I have another triangle PQR. So this median I'm going to drop from P is going to be PM. So now let's list what is given to us. Given is AD is median of triangle ABC. So that's the first one that is given to us. And PM is median of triangle PQR. And the last one was triangle ABC is actually similar to triangle PQR. What we need to prove is going to be AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Okay, so now let's start with what is given to us and we will extend it. So proof. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR is given to us. So let's start from there. So let's write the sides as proportional. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. So we can derive this from what is given to us. So AB and CD are medians, right? So let's take that particular aspect. So AD is median. Therefore, I can write this as BD is equal to DC is equal to 2 times of BC. Similarly, in this triangle, PM is median. So I can extend this and say that QM is equal to MR is equal to 2 times of QR. So I'm going to use this particular property in the proportion. So I'm going to say, let's take this proportionality that we have written. So AB by PQ is equal to 2 times of BD divided by 2 times of QM. Now, I'm going to take away the 2, so which means AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. And we also know that angle B will be equal to angle Q because already the triangles are given to be proportional. So from these two statements, what we can conclude is that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. Okay, so you can earmark the corresponding data if you want with equation numbers. So this can be 1 and 2. So therefore, because these two are similar, I can write the proportionality again. So this is AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM, which is equal to AD divided by PM. So what was needed for us is just these two. So you can ignore the middle part and simply say AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM, hence proved. In the next video, we will see how to solve the first question in exercise 7.1.
Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.